Almeida and this is my YouTube channel. So basically I have a primary channel wherein I talk about my culture, my tradition. I come from a Roman Catholic family and we have a small community called the East Indians. So if you want to watch my video about my tradition and culture, I'll leave the link in the description below. You can go and check it. So let me tell you, this is my first YouTube video on this channel. So basically this is not my first YouTube video. I had posted a video about the Velankini procession earlier, but I was thinking about coming up with challenges with certain reviews or something related to cooking. Or I'm not fond of makeup very much, so I cannot give my judgment on that. But you can tell me what all you all want to see. Apart from that, about my lifestyle, I will be showing on this video. So today I will be talking about a review on a particular product. So few days ago, I was just scrolling through Facebook and I got this ad. You keep getting these ads on Facebook. So I came across this ad called Go Desi. Okay, so Go Desi basically they had this Imli pop, and it took me to my childhood, wherein when we were young we used to have these Imli pops. Okay, excuse me for my language. So it reminded me of that, and seeing the current situation today and the scenario, I didn't wanted to take the risk of having those Imli pops because I didn't wanted to fall sick and then waste my time going to the doctor. So I ordered another products. They have 3 products in this range in the Go Desi, which is Imli pop, the real Aam pop, and the raw mango pop. So what I ordered is the real Aam pop. So let me just show you without much blabbering. So this is the package, the Desi pops. Okay, it comes covered in a khaki color or you say the brown color packaging, and it looks something like this. So this retails for 250 rupees, and as you open the box, you get this cute little note which says new launch, handmade in rural kitchens, traditional recipe, all natural, bespoke limited edition. So they this claims the farmers over there in rural areas prepare this from the basic ingredients. Now let me tell you what this ingredient says, which is written right over here. The ingredients are chili, ripe mango, obviously is a real Aam edition, so ripe mango, salt and jaggery. But it also says it has preservatives. Here it claims it is having no added color or preservatives, no refined sugar, contains goodness of turmeric. Okay, so let me tell you what else this box has to say. It says that in the MRP of 250 you get 40 pieces of this pops, and we have this cute little thing also where you can open your pops and just take it from here, but I'm not going to do that. And the real thing I forgot to show you all. Look how cute it is. Isn't it really cute? And it comes, so here goes our Desi pops. It looks something like this and it's really cute, and you have to open this thing. I'm not going to really taste it on camera, but I have tasted this product, and let me tell you, I had a lot of expectations about this product, but I am not really happy with the buy, because firstly it doesn't taste anything like the ripe mango. It tastes like a lot of artificial mango. You get this pulp in the market. It tastes exactly like that, and it has a lot of amchur powder, which is the dry mango powder in it, which I am not a fan of. I don't know, many might like it, but I personally don't like this. Not very much. So on a scale of 10 I will rate it 5. And yes, they should have even taken more care about the flavors as a claim. So whatever the claims are not up to the mark, whatever they say over here. Just because the farmers of a country are really taking an initiative to do this product, that's the reason I purchased it. Here on the box the ingredient says it has jaggery, mango powder, raisins, amchur powder, black salt, chili powder, citric acid, refined sunflower oil and turmeric. contains added natural identical flavor ripe mango. As I told you, it has no natural mango flavor, which I'm not a fan of. But if in case you want to buy this product, I will leave the link in the description below. Let me know what else you want me to review a product on, or do a haul or anything. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked my video, do give it a like, share my video, comment below, and let me know your views. Thank you. Love you all.